Good day, everyone. This is my advocacy picture. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Monarchil Llagas, representing Night Akasha. Let's proceed to my advocacy. My advocacy is to prevent the discrimination towards LGBTQ students here in Bignay National High School. Every student deserves respect, dignity, and equal treatment. Discrimination against LGBTQ individuals not only undermines these fundamental human rights, it weakens the social fabric that binds us all. We believe that love, diversity, and inclusion are the cornerstone of just society. Discrimination not only harms individuals but also erodes the collective strength of our society. By standing against bigotry and prejudice, we build a community where every person can be their authentic self without fear. This is not just a fight for LGBTQ rights, it's a fight for human rights. Let's work together to build our world where everyone, regardless of who they love or how they identify, can live freely and without discrimination. Together, we can transform empathy into action, turning our communities into beacons of hope and justice. Once again, my name is Monarchil Llagas, representing Night Akasha. Thank you.